Hi guys, welcome back to another video. This is Sudhi from Just Free Tech. Are you seriously trying to start an e-commerce business online? Yes, this is the right video for you. In this video, I'll be trying to cover how to start an e-commerce business from zero to hero. This is for who are willing to learn and looking to start a serious online business to earn some extra money. In this video, I'll be starting with what are the requirements for starting an online store. Then I will show you how to find a supplier for your business, and then I will show you how to create an e-commerce website from the scratch. If you follow the process along with me, at the end of this video, you will have an amazing online store where you start selling a product from today. Before I start, I'll give you an idea about the cost involved to build something similar to what I'm showing in this project. The total cost to build a website, including your own domain name, hosting, and all the other resources such as logo and other stuffs, it will come around $100. Pretty cheap, right? As an investment, this is a pretty cheap price. Other than this cost, there will be some extra cost involved when you register your business, but this can be done later when you start getting earnings from your business. But make sure you do before your next financial year for tax purposes. Again, it's different in each country. There is a cost and it is not free to start an online business. This is why I mentioned at the beginning. This video is intended only for those who are really serious about starting an online business. I will now go through what I'm going to cover in this video. First, I will be showing how to choose a killer product and finding the right suppliers. Then I will show you how to choose a business name. The third step is to choose a best web solution, which means choosing the right hosting provider. Then I will show you how to build your own online store from the scratch. Then we will do basic SEO for search engine optimization to get better Google ranking. After that, I will show you how to manage your suppliers and products from a simple dashboard. Next will be how to get your first sale. Then I will show you how to do the marketing, and finally, I will show you how to review the store performance day by day. Step 1. Choosing a right product. Choosing your product to sell is a really tricky task. After starting a business, you may not be able to change the product categories you have chosen. Take your time to find out what product suits, and instead of selling everything together, I would suggest you to stick on one specific category to start with. For example, clothings, watches, fancy jewelries, kids dressings, electrical supplies, beauty product, and organic products. In this tutorial, I am selecting clothings as an example to show you how to build and manage your online store. Everything set up from the scratch, and it is ready for the customer to purchase online. The next task is to find the right supplier. If you are selling locally, you'll have to find the right supplier from your local market. But as a starting point, you can start dropshipping low-cost items from China. Those who doesn't know what is dropshipping, it is nothing but you sell some items on your online store, which are sold by another online store. So as soon as you receive an order, customer will be paying to your account and receive an order notification. Then you'll have to make the same order from your supplier website and make the delivery address pointing to the customer's address. In this way, you don't have to manage the shipping. How hard will it be? Yes, it is hard to manage the order process, but imagine if everything is automated with one click. That sounds great, isn't it? This is what I am going to show you in this video. If you are ready to start, you can do it along with me with this video and start selling from today. If you are ready, go ahead and click the subscribe button and let's get started. First thing is to find the business name. When you choose a business name, you should consider two things. It should match the product categories you have chosen. Then the availability of domain name. When you choose a product category, there should be a provision to expand the business in the future. For example, if you are going to start a watch store with the name TikTok Watches and the domain you will be purchasing as TikTokwatches.com. This domain can only be used to sell watches and cannot be used to brand if you want to use it in the future. But if you have purchased the domain TikTok Fashion or just TikTok.com, you'll have an opportunity to expand your business into different categories in future and make it as a brand. Next thing is to check the availability of domain name. Most of the domain names are taken already by many businesses all over the world. I will now show you how to check the availability of domain name. To start, click on the link in the description, choose domain. It will take you to the SiteGround website and there you can search for your business name. In this example, I am searching for mystyle365.com. It is available. Next is hosting. Those who are not sure what is hosting, it is nothing but the computing and the storage space used by your website. Basically, it is the computer with web server running 24/7. Hosting service providers are basically renting their infrastructure to us and it is named as hosting. Choosing the right hosting provider is important when you start a business. You can start with the basic plan and upgrade as you grow. But the main thing to be taken into consideration is the performance of the website. No one likes to shop on a slow website, right? There are plenty of hosting providers around, such as HostGator, Bluehost, Hostinger, GoDaddy, etc. And they also got like performance boosted plans, but the basic plan will have a low speed and will have to buy boosted plan for better performance. This is why I am suggesting SiteGround. Their hosting service is exceptionally performing when compared with others, even with the basic plan. To make it easy, if you have started this online store, to learn things, go with the Bluehost. That is the cheapest available. And if you're really serious about your business, you'd like to build the best performing website, don't think twice, go with SiteGround. Their support is very good as well. If you need to get support, just put a ticket online and they will get back to you as soon as possible. I have included both the links below. These links are my affiliate links, and when you click and select any plans, I will be getting a small commission which I can use it to make better videos in this channel. Thank you everyone for the great support after watching the last video. If you have any ideas or suggestions to make a video for building any specific kind of website, please put it in the comment box. I will try my best to make it. Let's continue. After selecting the domain, you need to choose a hosting plan. Occasionally, SiteGround will put some promotional offers. At the time of making this video, there was a promotional offer, was 33 cents per month. That's nothing, isn't it? I'm gonna choose the basic plan. The next page, you have to enter all the details and the card payment details. And there is an option to choose domain privacy. It will hide your details from the domain registry. I'm not selecting it now. Click the pay button and continue. If you have completed so far, now we will start building our website, the challenging and the interesting part of this video. If you want to take a break, you can go ahead and take a break and come back. Welcome back. Now you'll have a page like this on your screen. Click on the site tools and it will take you to the dashboard. On the left hand side you can see menu. From there click on the WordPress and install and manage WordPress and choose the WooCommerce version of the WordPress installation. It will install WordPress plus the WooCommerce plugin. You will be asked to put in admin credentials. Make sure when you choose the admin username, don't put admin as the admin username. The password you choose must be strong enough because this is the access password for your website. It is very important to keep the password secured. Now you need to enter your email address. After that, you need to click install to finish the installation. It may take 2 to 3 minutes to complete the installation. If you now visit your website, it will be just a basic website. We will now start designing the website. For that, we need to go into the admin panel. So click on the admin panel. This is a WordPress admin dashboard. This is where you start customizing your website. We'll have to do a cleanup before we start everything. Go to the plugins and deactivate all the unwanted plugins and delete it. After that, click on Themes from the Appearance menu. Currently, the storefront theme is active. We need to install another theme, so click on Add New and search for Astra. Install and activate Astra theme. It may take a few minutes to complete. After that, we will now uninstall all the inactive themes comes with the WordPress installation. Go to Appearance, Themes and click on the theme details and click the delete button at the bottom right. Now, if you go back to your website, the website is slightly changed. Don't worry, now we will start customizing your website. So go back to the Appearance Themes menu and Customize. Now it will show you an option on the right hand side to install some custom plugins. So start install custom plugins, and when it prompts, you can choose Elementor as the page builder. Now it is a time to select a theme. From the themes list, you can choose Simply Natural. That's the theme I am using on this tutorial. Click Import Complete Site and start import. It will also take a few minutes to complete. When you see the successful message, you can go ahead and refresh your site and see the magic. There is a beautiful site is installed and it is ready for the customer to shop around. But we want a clothing website. Don't worry, I will show you how to edit all this stuff. Before that, we need to do a few more things. Installing a backup plugin and installing a SEO plugin. Go back to your plugins menu. Click on Add New and search for Updraft Plus. Install it and search for Yoast SEO. After activating both the plugins, we will now start configuring the Draft Plus backup plugin. It will periodically backup your website to a cloud storage. You can choose from a group of storage options available. I'm going to choose Google Drive as the option. We need to connect to a Google account to do that. As soon as you click Save, it will show you an authorization link and you can use that link to authorize your Google account. After connecting the Google account, we need to schedule the backup frequency. I'm selecting daily backup and I'm going to retain 7 days of backup, which means last 7 days backup will be available in the Google Drive. After saving the settings, if you go back to your Updraft Plus folder in Google Drive, it will show nothing. But after clicking the backup and wait for the backup to finish, then if you go back to your drive, you can see a lot of folders uploaded. Now we will start configuring the WooCommerce plugin. To start, when you go to your dashboard, you can see a wizard button. Click on that wizard. It will take you to configure the WooCommerce step by step, and enter your email details when prompted. We are selecting PayPal and Stripe as the payment methods. Don't worry if you don't have the account set up already. I will show you how to do that later in the video. As an initial configuration, choose flat rate shipping for all your shipping zones. I'm only selling in Australia and I'm choosing $6.5 flat rate for Australia. We can change these settings later. I will show you how to do this later in this video. We don't need automate taxes, MailChimp or Facebook at this point. Continue and finish with the setup process and go back to your dashboard. Even if you choose skip the installation of Jetpack, you will have to uninstall the Jetpack plugin manually from the dashboard. It's a known glitch in the WooCommerce setup procedure. To complete the rest of the options in WooCommerce, go back to the WooCommerce menu and select Settings. On the first page, it's General Settings. You need to fill out all the details. One important thing you don't want to miss on this page is enabling the tax calculations. After enabling the tax calculations, you will see another Settings tab on the menu. It will appear between products and shipping. We will come to the tax tab in a minute. Before that, we will configure the products page. On the products page, you have to change only one option, which is selecting the right shop page. In our case, the shop name is Store, so from the drop down, choose the right page. The next link under the products tab is managing inventories. Few things we need to update it there. Save all the settings and go to tax configuration. Tax configuration will be different in each country. I'm configuring the tax based on Australia. I'm creating a new tax class called GST, and as soon as I save GST, I can see another link appeared. It is called GST rates. Click on GST rates and insert a row. By default, there will be nothing. So select your country code and the rate, which is 10% for Australia, and put the priority as number 1 and click Save Changes. If you need to charge tax on shipping, you can check the shipping. I'm not charging GST for shipping. Go back to the standard rates, and we need to edit the shipping rates for Australia. So click Edit, and there should be a default one which is called flat rate, and edit that, and you can select taxable or none there. Click on add shipping method if you want to sell to another country, and follow the same process. It is an important marketing strategy to give the customer the opportunity to buy stuff with free shipping when they are buying it for $100 or with a coupon. To enable this functionality, there should be a shipping method which is a free shipping option should be enabled. So to do that, add shipping method and add as a free shipping, and from the drop down menu select minimum order or a coupon. So I'm putting the minimum order amount as $100. There is an optional settings which you can set to show the shipping calculator on the cart page or not. It's up to you to configure that. I'm unchecking that for now, my website. Next step is to configure the payment methods. We are using Stripe and PayPal as the payment methods. To configure the payment methods, go to the Payments tab. Click on Sign Up button next to the Stripe and enter your details to register a Stripe account. Stripe is the secure payment gateway we are using in our website. You can either use PayPal or Stripe. I'm using both to show you how to configure both. After creating the account, you need to verify your email address. Go back to your email and click on Verify, and it will ask you to set up a passcode. After setting up the passcode, you're good to go. The payment gateway on the WordPress website is configured using an API key, which you can get it from the Stripe dashboard. So on the left hand side under developers, click on API keys and copy the publishable key, and go back to your website and manage Stripe account, and if you scroll down, there is an option to put the publishable key, but now it is showing test publishable key because I checked the test mode. Make sure you copy the correct webhook endpoint and add it inside the webhook. The events to send should be charge, and click save to continue, and it will give you a webhook secret key. Copy the webhook secret key to the Stripe dashboard and check the inline card form and a statement description. It will be showing on the customer's credit card charge. As we have configured the test environment for the payment gateway, you can test it. Go back to your store and open any product and add to cart and try to make a payment. It will show you two options. One is PayPal and other one is the Stripe. Select Stripe, and definitely it should show you as a test mode, and it will give you a credit card number there. You can use that card number to test the payment system. Enter any numbers as the expiry and the CVV. After completing the test purchase, go back to Stripe dashboard. You can then verify the transaction status from the webhook attempt section under webhook page. As we have now completed a test order, it should appear in your orders page under WooCommerce. You don't have to learn much about this at this point. Click on the order to see the order details. Otherwise, you can check that and mark it as complete for now. I will show you how to manage orders later in this video. Now I will show you how to edit the look of the website. So homepage and other shop contents and everything. You can manage it from Elementor Page Builder easily. There are plenty of videos available on YouTube, but I will just show you the basic stuff. Now I will show you how to edit the menu items. As it is a clothing website, it needs some categories for girls, kids, men, women, etc. To create that, go to WooCommerce, products and select categories. I have added few already here. You can add it based on your website style. Now to add these category links to the website as a menu link, go back to Dashboard, Appearance and select Menu and edit the main menu. If you are not seeing anything, you can create new from the link. You can basically add pages, posts, WooCommerce items, WooCommerce endpoints to the menu item. But as a category, it's better to add as a link. So click on Custom Links and get the link from each categories. After adding the category links, add Contact Us page and About Us page linked to the homepage menu. Now if you refresh, you'll see the menu is appearing on your website. Now add the corresponding links to each button under the featured images. After completing all these steps, if you go back to your home screen and click the button to test, it will take you to the right categories page. Don't worry about the product because we haven't added any product. Whatever product showing here is from the demo website. It is legal requirement to make privacy policy and other terms and conditions page on your website. So create those pages and add the content based on your requirement. There are plenty of websites and legal advisors available online to provide you some assistance. Let's see how our website looks so far. You can update all these contents in the About Us page by using the Edit with Elementor button at the top. In Contact Us page, there is a Contact Us form. We need to configure that in the background, otherwise it won't work. Let's do that now. Go to the dashboard, click on Forms, and there is a contact form already came with the demo website. Click Edit, and it's pretty much everything is there, just the notification settings you need to update. So basically it sends an email to the admin, and if you need to get another email, you can put a comma and add your email in it. So it's like something at gmail.com, for example. Then the content of the auto email. So you can just put a subject line as contact form or email from your website. And what are the fields to be sent to your email? So basically it is already configured. You don't have to change anything. Now I will show you how to edit the site name. So go to settings and site title. You can put your site title there and the tagline. To allow the customer to create an account, you need to check that anyone can register button. Then go to WooCommerce accounts and privacy settings and check the boxes for account creation. Now I will show you how to add the products to your website. This is the most important part. Whatever product came with the demo website, I'm going to delete all of them. Now open a new tab and type in shopmaster.com. Shopmaster is the automation tool we are using to upload product and manage the orders. Everything is easy when using Shopmaster. It will automatically upload all the products, and whenever there is an order, you will be able to manage the dropshipping order to external website. Everything is automated. It is so easy to use and it will save you a lot of time. We will continue from this on a different video. Please subscribe and support my channel, and link will be in the description below.